Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect Supabase with Flutter. At first go to supabase.com and sign in. Then tap on Table Creator. Next click on Create a new table. Give it a name. If you scroll down you will see some column ID and create it out. You can add a new body column that will hold the actual note body. You can leave it as a default null and then hit save. Now you have created a new table. Now add some Flutter code here. Head over to pub.dev and search for Supabase Flutter. Copy the code over to your pubspec.yaml and hit save to run pub.get. Now head back to main.dart file. Start out by connecting environments. You have to copy this portion here and paste it into your main function. You can make this async. You can import all the code you need. Then go to your Supabase project. Next go to Settings, then API, and here's the project URL. Copy the code. Then paste it here. After that copy the anon key and paste it here. And that was it. You have successfully connected with Supabase with Flutter. Thanks for watching.